Are you looking to save money and time while also eating healthier? Consider incorporating meal prepping into your routine. By dedicating a few hours each week to plan and prepare your meals in advance, you can avoid last-minute takeout or expensive restaurant visits. Not only does meal prepping help you stick to a budget, but it also allows you to control portion sizes and choose nutritious ingredients. Additionally, by buying ingredients in bulk and cooking in batches, you can take advantage of discounts and reduce food waste. Meal prepping can also streamline your week, as you'll have ready-to-eat meals waiting for you, eliminating the need for stressful cooking sessions after a long day. Whether you're a busy professional, a student on a budget, or someone trying to eat healthier, meal prepping is a versatile and effective strategy. Start by selecting recipes that you enjoy, investing in quality storage containers, and setting aside time each week for meal prep. With a little planning and organization, you can revolutionize your eating habits, save money, and enjoy the convenience of having delicious meals at your fingertips throughout the week. Give meal prepping a try and experience the benefits for yourself.